What's going on, Credit Sniper? This is your boy Carlos Estrada. Welcome to the Best Credit Blueprint, guys. I'm excited that you guys are here today. Today we're going to be talking about the ultimate hacks on how to create age on your credit cards in 2022. Now, guys, if this is your first time on our channel, please do not forget to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure that you click on the bell icon. Make sure that you click on all, so like that you get notifications every single day. Why is that? Because we come to you on the daily basis, guys. We are the only channel out there that will come to you on a daily basis. And actually, all the topics that I put out, all the content that I bring to you is because you guys ask for it. So we pick the topics, we actually pick the best one, and we like to provide. We like to actually bring some to you. So thank you for actually giving us the topics. Thank you for giving us the content that we should research and bring to you. You make our lives a lot easier. So thanks a lot. Now, once we finish, make sure you give me that little like button. Make sure you smash it, hit it. Don't break your screen again. All right, so guys, let's talk about what do we do in order to actually increase age. One of the first things that I want to go ahead and point out, and by the way, this video is going to be fairly quick because these two hacks are going to help you. And I want you to start doing it as soon as possible. With that said, hey guys, this week, today is January 31st. And what we're going to do is we are going to start a Facebook Live on the weekly basis. Free coaching for you guys. We want you to come together and ask any questions that you guys have. We will put the information on our description going forward on the days that we are going to have our Facebook Live. Just take your time, come in, bring any questions you have. Our goal is to actually be there probably 30 minutes to an hour, but we will go longer depending on how many people we have and what kind of questions we have. Now, like you guys always know, I got my remarkable. This is where I put all my notes. So the first hack. So in order to increase your age, why? Because age by itself is a big chunk of your credit reports, about 30%. So what we do is, the first thing that I want you to do is, hey, call your bank. Tell them that you lost your credit card. What they're going to do is they're going to put a stop to that credit card. But make sure, look, if you don't leave out of your credit card, if you don't use it as often, do this. Call your creditor or your bank and tell them that you lost your car. What they're going to do, they're going to put a stop and they're going to issue you a new one. The hack here is that they're not going to stop that age. They're going to put a pause to it, but they're going to give you another car and they're going to bring that age along with the new age and mash it together. Now you have a credit card with the same age and the other age, and it helps you to increase your overall age of your credit report. That's hack number one, guys. Now, hack number two, what do? You guys heard me. I'm saying this over and over. It is called authorized user, Tradelines. Guys, in our course, before I tell you that, let's talk about what Tradelines are. So Tradelines are anything that have to be or that is in your credit report. If you're talking about your home, your car loan, your credit cards, that is called a Tradeline. In this case, what we want to talk about is the Tradelines as a credit card. Why is that? Because a Tradeline or a credit card allows you to piggyback from somebody else, or allows you to put someone else in your credit card as an authorized user. So in this case, any one of you can go to a family member, a friend, a coworker, anyone that you trust or that person trusts you, to allow you to be put as an authorized user without giving you a credit card to use. Now, what you do here is now you're going to piggyback of that person's great credit, on-time payments, and age. So what that's going to do is going to add the age to your credit report and helping you increase that age, because remember, it is 30% of your credit report. Now, guys, you know that you can also buy this service. That's a big business in the United States called the Tradeline business. Now, as part of the Best Credit Blueprint course, we actually have created a partnership. We could say a partnership. We actually work with one of our vendors, in order to be able to bring you a 75% discount on all trade lines that you decide to buy. You get the same discount that we get. Why? Because we bring volume to this trade line broker. What they do is they'll bring to you whatever trade line you're looking for, age and credit line, and be able to package it together in order for you to get a great discount. So you will get 75% discount. So in this case, guys, I'll advise you to, if what you're looking for is for age for your credit report, remember that's one of the hacks, this will be a great way to go. Remember, you could either buy it or you could go to a family member. So let me give you an example. Every year of great age or great year on a trade line will give you between 6 to 7 points. So what happens? Let's just say you have a credit line, or your current credit is on overall 4 to 5 years. Something that you have to keep in mind is that in order for a lot of banks, and something that we found out is that a lot of banks will give you lending at a better rate if you have 6 years or more. So let's just say you have 4 cards and you just bought a trade line of 10 years for conversation's sake. So remember, 4 cards, 10 year, it divides between 4, and that's a total of 2.5. And you have 4 years on your trade, on your overall age already. So 2.5 years now brings you to a 6.5, which is the magic number of what a lot of the creditors are looking for in order to lend you money. So guys, this is the second hack, and this is the 2 hacks that you could do in order to increase your age, which will help credit report, which will allow you to get the lending and better rates. Guys, I appreciate your time. I told you that this video is going to be fairly quick. I just want you to go ahead and get this, digest this content, and put it to practice right away. Thank you for being here with us today. Once again, my name is Carlos. We are the best credit blueprint. Guys, do not forget, this was your first time, make sure that you subscribe, click on the bell icon, make sure you click on all, and give us a thumbs up, because that will help us with the YouTube algorithm. It will help us to bring this content to many, many more. Because here at the Best Credit Blueprint, it is our mission and goal to help many, many of you and bring this great value for thousands and millions out there. So guys, thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.